Today we will learn how to create reverse speed effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, bring the video to the timeline. I want the reverse effect after this point. Then use the navigator. Press the W key on the keyboard and the video after that will get deleted. Right-click on the fax icon shown in the clip on the timeline. Then go to Time Remapping and select Speed. Now zoom in to the timeline. I want to slow down the video from this point. I will press the Control key and click. Then these 2 points will be visible here. Now drag one point and bring it forward. Now drag the line and bring it down. Now the speed of the video has slowed down, so the video has become longer. Then zoom out the timeline and right-click and go to Speed Duration. Now go to Time Interpolation and select Optical Flow. Now press and hold the Alt key and drag the video. Now again, right-click and go to Speed Duration and choose Reverse Speed. And join the clip. Now press the Enter key for rendering. And it is ready. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.